فمن يرد الله أن يهديه يشرح صدره للإسلام ومن يرد أن يضله يجعل صدره ضيقا حرجا كأنما يصعد في السماء كذلك يجعل الله الرجس على الذين لا يؤمنون. وإن تك حسنة يضاعفها ويؤت من لدنه أجرا عظيما.
Therefore, the scale at which people will be judged in the judgment day is the atomic weight. But the Quran continues to explain and
ومن يعمل من الصالحات من ذكر أو أنثى وهو مؤمن فأولئك يدخلون الجنة ولا يظلمون نقيرا.
Logically, the Quran has referring to a scale even smaller than the atomic weight. In the year 2000, it was fully proved that each photon is a massless particle, contains elementary particles that are 100 times smaller, called quarks. A quark does not follow an orbit, but rather engage in a vibration way, just like a ball knocking inside an empty bell. This is why the Quran used the word knocking, naqir. And so the Quran states how the scale in the judgment day would be 100 times smaller than the atomic weight. And the Quran continues to explain. The Quran then emphasized on the scale of the thread. The recent scientific string theory shows that the quark also consists about 1,000 smaller elementary energy strings with spaces in between. The Quran thus shows that Allah will judge using a 100 million times smaller than the atom. Such an in-depth scientific analysis could not be possibly presented by a human being 1,000 years ago, but it was stated in Quran 14,000 years ago.
فمن أوتي كتابه بيمينه فأولئك يقرؤون كتابهم ولا يظلمون فتيلا.
What is decibel? Decibel is a unit named after Alexander Graham Bell. It is 1/10 of a unit bell, that is a measurement of sound intensity. The Holy Quran mentioned the sound levels in order. It started with the level of rikz. A rikz is a very low sound, which is below 20 decibels.
أهلكنا قبلهم من قرن هل تحس منهم من أحد أو تسمع لهم ركزا.
Afterwards, the secret or personal speech stating,
يومئذ يتبعون الداعي لا عوج له وخشعت الأصوات للرحمن فلا تسمع إلا همسا.
Then reaching to the normal speaking level.
فتنازعوا أمرهم بينهم وأسروا النجوى.
Until the Quran reached the level of the gigantic scream.
وأخذ الذين ظلموا الصيحة فأصبحوا في ديارهم جاثمين. فأصبحوا في ديارهم جاثمين.
And what is an even higher level of the scream, what is mentioned as the deafening blast.
فإذا جاءت الصاخة.
The fact that the Holy Quran 14,000 years ago mentioned those sounds level in the ascending order, reaching extremely high level, deserves our attention. Neither Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, nor his champions could have acquired this amount of information or predicted the order of sound levels. Yet the Quran refers to high level of sound that have only recently appeared in the modern life. For example, the loud sound of airplanes, cars, and even the bombs. These sounds didn't exist 14,000 years ago, which proved that the Holy Quran is a divine book representing the words of Allah.